Hello. With QuickRows, we can perform column-level algebraic operations easily. All you have to do is express the desired operation using the column letters. For example, let's do some quick calculations in this pricing list. The first one will be applying the discount of column E to the unit prices of column C. We will type the formula exactly as we would do manually. We can even set simplified precedence rules using parentheses. As our table has predefined output columns, we will specify the destination column to fill column F. Now we press the Go button. Perfect. The second step is to calculate the net unitary profit in column G. It is a simple subtraction of column F minus column D. Great. The expected total profit will be the multiplication of columns G times H. Okay. We are done. Now we can show other possible operations. For example, let's sum columns F through I. Of course, it is a nonsense, but will help us to show how to sum ranges of columns. Just type the initial and final column letters, separated by a colon. Fantastic. And finally, let's see an astonishing skill. We will subtract string columns. In other words, we will remove the brand names appearing in column A from the product descriptions of column B. The output text will be inserted in a new column. That's it. As you can see, QuickRows is a powerful tool to improve your productivity in Excel. See you in next video.